Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I just got over here to Mike's going to give y'all a little update real fast. Mike, are you tired yet?
Yes.
He's been working on this thing hard. The rear end stuff, he just messed with the ladder bar, just squared up the rear end. The diagonal link is on. Under the car, he's got the exhaust. He's got some bigger oval exhaust. He took that thin stuff off. It was crushed a lot, but it's got that on it, and it's doesn't have much ride height. It's hard to tell on the lift, but it is pretty low. That's why he went to the oval stuff. It's got a little race muffler on it. So he is almost ready to go to the track. Almost.
Yeah, and the problem, been done yesterday.
It never ends.
But you know, you live and you learn. When I changed the front bar diameter is 1.5 inches bigger than the original.
All right.
So that put my ladder bars 1.5 inches further back.
Slid this back. Yes.
And my drive shaft yoke was too short.
But you know, these, I was just saying a minute ago, these fender wells are, the wheel well on these things are massive. There is a ton of room. So you could slide it, I mean, legit, you can slide it 4 inches forward, 3 inches forward, or 3 or 4 inches backwards. And so that's what he did. He just modified, he just screwed it all in, slid everything back forward. So the drive shaft yoke, he thought he was done, but the drive shaft yoke is now about
1.5 inches.
1.5 inches out or so. I can't see it. Hold on.
Let me get this out.
No, there you go. I was in the wrong spot. So there you go. Okay, we got it. I couldn't see it. I was like, where's the tail of the transmission? I was in the wrong spot.
Either leave it alone like it was and get a new drive shaft made, which ain't gonna happen for Thursday.
Or shorten it up.
Or go back and change the geometry on the damn thing again.
Well, what's happening Thursday?
Just get it to the track.
What? Y'all heard it here first. He's planning to go to Galot to go testing on Thursday night. They do
Body damage.
Thursday night test and tune. Yeah, I mean, that's easy stuff, though, like we talked about. So he is almost done. I mean, he is almost done. Got a little bit of weight out of the car back here in the back. Now, the brackets, the ladder bar links that he put on, the brackets on the front, he redid all that stuff, of course. So, you know, we were just talking about height. Because, you know, ladder bar setup, the instant center location is where the ladder bar meets the body. So this is your ladder bar spot. So you talk about anti-squat, right? So anti-squat, you can still figure it out with a ladder bar. You can put it in there, you can measure everything out, but the anti-squat, the length does not change. It's right here every single time. The only thing you can change is the height of it. And so if you make it higher, if you go all the way to the top of that bracket, then you're gonna have a lot of anti-squat, and ladder bars are real effective with anti-squat. And so that's what he was trying to figure out about the right spot. The other brackets were a little different. So I think this is, you said this is about a 1/2 inch lower than it was before?
Yep.
So that means it's going to have a little bit less anti-squat if it's lower. I said it backwards earlier when we were talking. Since it went down, it will be just a tad less. But this thing kind of, it separates quite a bit in the back already. So that might not be a bad thing.
Never had a problem with it separating.
Definitely not. It separates. Which is good for a radial, right? So he's gonna have it on radials. He's already got the radials on it. I didn't even notice that. The radials are already on it. Yep. Those are the Pro Bracket radials too, right?
Yep.
Yep, Pro Bracket radials. That's what I just had on mine. Actually, that's the same tire. I just bought the tires from Mike, his old ones. Same exact ones. So yeah, so we're going testing. Mike, I don't know if Joey's planning on going or not.
He said he was.
Is he? So his car is going out too. Heck yeah! Down at RJ's, Brandon have been working on Joey's. I think he said he's gonna have that. I know he was gonna record it. Hopefully Joey will let him post it. But basically on Joey's car, you know, he's trying to go for that stock block record, and he's having some suspension issues. And so he got some. I don't remember what name brand he got, but he got some aftermarket lower control arm boxes and upper control arm boxes. And so they put them all in, and they're almost done with it. Actually, Joey may have already picked up the car. I didn't even ask him when I was at the track with Brandon and Randy yesterday. So we're taking Mike's for sure, and possibly Joey's. So hopefully Friday, I will have you guys a video of maybe Joey's running really fast and Mike's running really fast, and everybody going straight. and not having any issues. And then my car, I'll show you, I'll give you all updates on mine. I'm fixing to go unload it now. We had a pretty good weekend. I had a little bit of an issue on race day on Saturday, but it is what it is. It's drag race. So we're going to go to 710 with mine on Friday to test, and then we'll be down there on Saturday for dig or die 710. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Just a quick update. What you think, Mike?
I think I'm tired of working on race cars.